It's goodbye Kaihim Makuhari in Chiba Prefecture. And it's time to head off for a new adventure. Rubber 184, One Japan continues. Thanks for watching, everybody. See ya. Boso. This train is the Wakashio. It doesn't have green seats, but the reserved seats will get you into downtown Tokyo in only about 20 or so minutes. And this train's a bit of fun, because if you want to see the same kind of view that the engineer has, the front is open for you to do so. It also means that they could put multiple of these trains back to back, and you can actually walk through and not have to jump out of the platform and run past if you're in the wrong car. And it's goodbye Boso Express here. And now once you're in the region, you'll notice that it's time to transfer here fairly often, here at Tokyo. And this colorful train is going to take me from Tokyo to a new adventure in a new prefecture. Nice 2x2 here for the green seats. And from Chiba, with a nice stop in Tokyo at Tokyo Station, it's time to be in a new prefecture here. I'm talking about Yamanashi and the capital city of Kofu. Let's go see what's in store tonight.